Hello guys, welcome to Isaiah PK2. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to upload your business plan in your GST portal in very simple steps. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, help me to subscribe, and if you have been coming, like the video. I've been dropping important video if you check it out in this channel. So let's get started. So once you come to GST site, this is what you see exactly if you are using mobile phone. So what I will do now, if you are using computer, you don't need to do it, but if you are using mobile phone, at the top you will see three dots on your screen. You click it, you will see where the right desktop site, you click it. Why you should do this is that it will make things easy for you to be scrolling and search for some things. It will show very easy in your mobile phone as far as you are not using computer. So you click on login. Once you click on login, so you put your login details. So once you log in, this is what will show in your GST portal. If you are doing GST 302, which is business plan, you want to upload it, very simple. So you zoom it, you can see my screen is full, everything is here. You zoom it, you can see this at the left side. You click this particular place that they write my course, then you can see GST 302 at the top. You click on the GST 302, so screen like this will open. So because I turn my screen to desktop, that's why these things open for me like this to make it easy. So you zoom it, make sure you mark all these places. The place turn to green, mark them all before you will be allowed to upload anything. You can see I'm marking everything, all these things, you mark them. See, zoom your screen, it's very easy. So once you are done marking everything like this, if you reach to this particular place that shows a course guide, and you know this place, you go need to download the course material before they allow you to pass this place, this module 1. But there is a scope that you can do. You don't need to download the course material if you have it inside your mobile phone already. You click on this GST 302 business plan, this one, before the module 1 course material. You can see it at the top. So once you click it, it will load. You see download, but you don't need to download, just cancel it. So for you to be able to pass this one without downloading, you click on discussion forum. Click discussion forum. So you can see a lot of people online. You scroll down. Once the site open, you scroll down. Last, you can see module 1. Here they write module 1. You click on module 1. You can see the course material where you can write it. You don't need to download the course material. You click next to all instruction. So that's how you do until you reach end. You understand? Until you reach end. So I've done that all. That's how you do. You don't need to download all the course material, because sometimes even though you download the course material, they will not allow you. But follow this process like this, they will allow you. So because I've done all those ones, so I've done marking. You can see everything marked. So you select your zone. You know, some people are from northwest. You can see if you are from northwest, it will show. If you scroll down, in fact, you don't even need to be reading whether you are from north central or you are from northeast. You don't need to waste your time, because any place that you are, they know it already. It will show in your portal. You can see it here. My own shows southwest. So you can see it here. You can see the sign that means this is where am I. So you click it like this. Once you click it, this is what will open your screen. So you scroll down. Once you scroll down, you see where the right, you have not made any submission. So once you click on add submission, this is exactly what will happen, what will open on your screen. So this place, if you are using computer, you can drag your business plan, the PDF, inside this particular box here. If you're using computer, So if you want to upload your business plan, here you can see it, all these box. The first box, you click the first box, something exactly like this will open. So you can see place that the right choose file. So this place allow you to go into your memory card to upload that particular business plan that you are done writing. So you select the place that your business plan is. You can see once you select it, it will upload. You can see the business plan that I put is here. So they say save as. This save as, if you want to save it, you write the name of your business plan. So once you write the name of your business plan, you can see it here, uploads under it. So now I'm done uploading my business plan. You can see it here down. You can see the name of the business plan is here, everything is here. So after that, you save the chance, save it. So you can see what they write here, submission status, submitted for grade D. So now what remains is to choose a date of presenting it. And if you make any mistake, you can edit submission here or remove the submission. So it's very, very simple. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section so that we can solve it out for you. Thank you for watching and God bless. Bye.